What's good and good morning. Taking the Z to Cars and Coffee again. I'm running a bit late, so I'm gonna get at it. Gonna stop at McDonald's. Of course, on the way, get my coffee, because Cars and Coffee, you know, gotta have the coffee on me. Yeah, let's get going. Let's go. Alright, let's see if I can sneak in the back. It says the parking's full. Let's go. We were able to sneak in the back. I pulled up a bit late, but just got parked. Found some parking next to some other Nissans. Dang, this seat's clean, bro. I love the new Z's. I like this match with the black and the chrome wheels. Purple's hitting too. Yo, peep this 240. It's on these crazy slicks.
That is the fastest car here, by far, by a mile. Not the 8s for the quarter mile. Yeah. This is a stupid build.
Wow. Damn, this turbo is huge.
This car is supposed to have half that amount of cylinders, and no, I don't know if it's supposed to have a turbo. It's
LS swap. This thing looks nuts. All the carbon Kevlar, and it's got a full cage in it. My homie loves these old Volvos and the bricks. FDR X7 here. It's so cool.
Wide body or is that right? Wide body. It is wide body? Yeah. So
yeah.
Wide
body. The black head exhaust. Yeah, this Golf is sick. These wheels look so good. With like the paint splatter. With the carbon hood. Yeah, my sister would love this one.
So the VIN number? You're gonna have to move.
looked like that Porsche was the same color too. It's like kind of dark blue. I've been seeing this company, Voyeur, I don't know how to pronounce it, but they got some really clean builds that they've been bringing here, like every week. They always got something different to bring out. I think they're a PPF shop. Another GT4 RS. Pretty sure I saw this whole lineup last week. I love this combo on the Carrera S, white on white. I think it's got a hard top on it too, or it's some sort of convertible. Looks wicked though with the white wheels on the white paint. The details, they got like the white headlight shroud. I approve. Porsches, GT3, GT4 RS. We got the Corvette ZR1. Got another GT3 RS. There's always a lot of these here, but there's a lot this week for sure. Beamer looks pretty sweet. Looks like it's got a bit done under the hood. Fucking with the blue on this M3. Looks like a Corvette Club came out. So many Corvettes. The whole row. I'm gonna take a peek at the bikes before everyone gets out of here. That thing is clean. I can't tell if it's a S1000 or M1000, but I think it's nice. I like the blue and white combo. Grom R6, SV650. Super Duke, Gixxer, R1, another R1, Audi. cool seeing one of these new gen WRXs all done up, especially in the white, because I actually had a white WRX for a little bit, but it was a lease, so I already turned that in, so no more. But and I couldn't do anything to mine, but you know, it's pretty cool seeing one done up like this. I like how the STI wing looks on it. They didn't come with that from the factory, so you have to like custom mock it up to make it work. This Supra's looking crazy with the drag radials. Type bar. Y'all already know I love the Nissans. Looking at this G35. Bro, got the shoes on. That's sick. I'm really rocking with this G35. This thing's so clean. Bro did a good job on it. The color combo, the wheels. The tank setup is crazy with the subs, with the shoes. Wow, that's so cool. That's sick. This NSX is so clean. Never seen a Type S at all, I don't think, or this color combo. It looks really interesting. The red and the gray. Sheesh, I'm a sucker for the Fox bodies, bro. Satin black and carbon fiber R8's looking pretty sweet. It's a clean combo with the HRE wheels. The meat's dying down. I think I'm about to head back to my car and get going. Really good show today though. A lot of cool cars. I still can't believe they are able to do this every week. Like, I feel so blessed to be in SoCal where they even have stuff like this going on. I remember back when I used to live in NorCal, like there was not events of this scope like every week. So feeling very grateful to be able to come out here all the time. Baby. For those of you that are new here, this is my Nissan 350Z. I'm working on making it a drift car. Right now it's kind of in between like street car, drift car. I got some parts lined up for it. Hopefully taking it to the track soon. But yeah, I got the whole half cage, seats, harnesses. I'm on coilovers, got some wheels, exhaust, lightweight flywheel, put race clutch on it, solid diff bushings. I got a welded diff, angle kit, and an oil cooler all ready to throw on it. So I'm hyped. I just gotta put some work into it, and then this thing's gonna be hitting the track soon. So y'all stay tuned. I'm actually gonna run to a friend's house. He lives close by. He just got a new motorcycle and he wants to show me, so I'm gonna go follow him over there and check it out real quick. out of here. I just left the homie's house. I didn't really record anything there, but yeah, his bike was pretty sick. He just got a new Honda 250L, so it's like a dual sport, and yeah, it's pretty fucking sweet. But yeah, had a great time at Cars and Coffee. Heading back home right now. I usually drive out like about 30 minutes away, so I get this nice drive right down the ocean. It is beautiful view on the drive back. Usually there's pretty bad traffic, so I might catch up to that, or I might look out today because usually there's some traffic by this point. So let's go. Oh yeah, I'm in traffic right now. Enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe just try to stick around, you know, hit the sub button if you're feeling like it, maybe that like button. I will see you guys in the next one.